In March 2018, we were briefed by the ADF to develop a chatbot application for creating awareness of risks associated with alcohol consumption in young people. From there, we began to do research. As the government of Victoria states, drink driving is one of the biggest killers on Victoria's roads. So this is exactly why we chose to create RideMate, focused on drinking and driving. Our chatbot RideMate aims to help educate young people on smart and safe alcohol use practices and help ensure they always plan a safe method of transport home. RideMate would serve as a user's best mate when they choose to drink, checking in with them throughout the evening and helping them plan a safe way to get home.
In April 2018, we conducted user journeys with 6 young people aged between 20 and 20 years old. They all live in Victoria to understand how a night out usually goes and how they get home safely when alcohol is involved, in order to develop a chatbot that can meet the needs and expectations of its target audience. After this, we conduct a workshop for our peers to try out 3 different chatbots to see which features they like and which they don't like in a chatbot. We then ask them to fill out an online survey on the trials, which we use to better develop the chatbot.
We started by creating a wireframe in draw.io. At this point, we began planning how a conversation would look. We wanted it to be as informal as possible, so we chose to use slang, shorter sentences, and talk like a young person would in Australia.
From there, we built the basis for a conversation by creating multiple different intents and dialogues in IBM Watson. We worked through lots of trial and error. Through this process, we had to change the sentences many times to ensure the conversation would flow smoothly. Now, let's see how the prototype works.
Hello?
What are your plans?
I'm gonna drink a lot tonight.
That sounds fun. Do you have a safe ride back home?
Not really.
All right. It's probably best to plan you a ride now. You can choose Uber or cab. Type Uber or cab, and I will get you sorted or finished if we are done here.
Cab.
Sounds great. I am calling a cab now for you. All you have to do is tell them a time and a place. I will check on you later.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
I love you.
You are funny. But let's get back to the point. Type Uber or cab, and I can help you to get back home safe. Or if you don't need anything else from me, get home safe. Catch you later.
So this part here, we have a recommendation for the next developments of the application. We really think Uber or cab, the person shouldn't need to say that. We believe buttons would be better, so they could simply press Uber or cab or finish, and then for drunk people would be much easier to use the application if they're giving the buttons and just click, and then the application would connect straight away with Uber or cab, or would finish the person who doesn't need anything else for us.